Namaste yogis. We're meeting here on the mat today. We're going to start in our fishbowl supine heart opener, as well as opening up our chest, lungs, the heart, taking a creative space, and disconnecting to Mother Earth, the biosphere, beginning to our knee rotation, foot rotation, shoulder rotation. Lift up the sternum, the T-bone shape right in the center of the chest here. Breathe in. Tighten up the midline, the transverse surface, the rectus abdominis. Feel the ribcage expanding, contracting here. As you lift up and raise up the chest, every breath connecting to our breath. As you come up, flow now into camel pose. Open out. And down. Down to folks, we can take a child's pose, with stretching. And just hydrate your back with your breath. Otherwise, we can take here down person twist here. Just opening out your nose. Right. So a little person twist here. That's good. Get deeper into the hamstring. Still engaging the hip. On the left foot. Come out to the side. Tilt the upper body to the mat. Crescent twist. Take a minute and a half longer here. Right. Good. And then just need to go right into Prasarita. Just to marinate. Sitting bones to the back of the room. Get into that nice creative space. Lower back activation. Breathe. Now, whether you have many papers waiting for you to write outside the mat, whatever practice exercise you have, you just want to center our mind, like our brain here. Just get you to headstand, arm stand here. Anchoring on our ab strength. Those abs correlate. Twist here, stretch, stretch small. So we're looking at in the upper chest area. See that activation of the teeth, connected to camel. Back into the foundation. No vacuums yet. Just looking at our foundation. Good. Resist the urge to back this side. Good. And good. So now you're going to come into Prasarita. Or we can actually come in through crow bakasana. Open up those hips to the pelvic floor, pelvic region. Back flip into wheel. center our mind back onto the mat. Bit of obligations are waiting for us. Outside, papers, delivery, due date, deadlines. Take a note, okay? Just get to our group. Pasal here. So that we finish our flow, our practice here. We can actually do tripod, or we can actually do just handstands, okay? Okay, that's our tripod. And just really resting in headstands here. Just anchor and just relax here. Okay, maybe stay with 3 breaths here. Feel like the midline is controlled. Transverse radius abdominis. Feel your rib cage as it moves. Your little touch here. Recline pigeon, the hip twist. This feels so good, especially if you have a little bit tenderness today. Just it extends all the way up, with the tailbone all the way up through the spine and floor. Oh, it feels so good. Just out. We're going to do a side set stretches. For this one, I need to come into arm stand. So this is my rehydrate, recenter moment, bridge, the bridge variation here. Able to come all the way up and bridge, side again, and then the second time, side, this side, we're going to come into tripod. straight, and then bend, bend, bend. There. Every time, the spine will follow back and forth. So we're going to come into a reclined position here. Try to practice this on the wall. Press your knuckles in the feet against the wall. You feel opening up the spine. And you hit the floor, back to the floor. Get a knuckle in the tilt. Good. And time. Our head will begin to bob it out.